Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will see how to find matrix multiplication using Excel sheet. Let us see this by example. Let us take two matrices. Matrix A with elements say 5, 2, minus 4, 6, minus 3, and 7, and 1, 2, 4. This matrix A with the dimension of 3 by 3 matrix, and let us take another matrix, say matrix B with elements 1, 5, 7, 6, and 9, 5. This is another matrix B with the dimension 3 by 2. That means 3 rows by 2 columns. Therefore, in order to find multiplication of these two matrices, say AB, another matrix which is matrix AB, or multiplication of matrix A with matrix B. Before we find the multiplication or the answer for this given matrix, first we have to check whether these matrices are conformable for multiplication or not. When you say conformable, the column of the first matrix A should be equal to 0 of the second matrix B. Here matrix A's column is num 3 columns, and row of matrix B is 3. Therefore, the first step is conformability checking, 3 columns from A and 3 rows from B. Therefore, we can find the multiplication of this given matrix A and B. Second, decide the dimension of the answer matrix, that means the dimension of matrix AB. In order to find the dimension of the matrix AB, it takes 0 from matrix A, from the first matrix, this one, which is 3, and the column from the second matrix B, which is column of matrix B is 2. Therefore, the answer for the given answer AB matrix is 3 by 3. Therefore, we have to select new cells for the new matrix A and B, which is 3 by 2 dimension. 3 by 2 means 3 rows with 2 columns. This the 3 by 2 matrix AB. Then in order to find the answer, type equal sign, and M multiply M, which is M mult. Then another step, specify the cell range of the first matrix, that means matrix A. Click here the first element of the first matrix A and the last element of matrix A. Then comma. Next, specify the cell range of the second matrix. Click here and dot click on the last element of the second matrix, then close the brackets. Then on the computer keyboard, press Ctrl and Shift simultaneously. On the keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift simultaneously, then enter. This is the answer for the new matrix AB, which is a product of matrix A and matrix B. and the dimension of 3 by 2, and it takes its dimension the row from the first matrix A and the column from the second matrix B. Thank you.